Hello kids, how are you? Welcome you all in your channel Math Thinkers. So, how's going your practice? I hope it's going well. Keep continuing practicing, then only math will be easier for you. Okay kids, and don't forget to like, share and comment in your channel and also subscribe. Kids, our today's topic is LCM, least common multiple. Today we will learn how to find the LCM of given numbers. Before studying about LCM, let's understand what is a multiple. What is a multiple? When we multiply given number with any other number, the answer is called its multiple. For example, given number is 6. If I multiply 6 with any number, for example, I have taken here 1 in first step. 6 multiply 1, answer is 6. So 6 is the multiple of given number 6. Again, I multiply 6 by 2. 6 to the 12. So 12 is also a multiple of 6. Again, 6 multiplied 3. 18. 18 is also a multiple of 6, and so on. We can find so many multiples of a given number. In short, we can say multiple are the numbers that come in the table of given number. If we read any table, for example, I am reading the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24 and so on. All these answers are the multiple of 6. Okay kids? I am taking an easy example here to understand the concept of LCM. I have taken two small numbers 6 and 8. We will find the LCM of 6 and 8. What is LCM? Least common multiple. First of all, I will write down the multiples of 6 and 8. I have told you just now that what is multiple? Multiples are nothing but only the numbers that come in the table of a given number. So, multiple of 6 are 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60 and so on. Similarly, multiple of 8 are multiples of 8 are 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48 and so on. So many multiples we can write. Now what we have to find? Second step, common multiple. Let's find which multiples are common here. Common multiples here are, see, 24 is common in the multiples of both number. Similarly, 48 is common. So on, there are many common multiples. But we will not go further because we have to find the least one only. And least one we have already found here, that is 24. And the numbers will be larger than 24. So 24 will be the answer here. LCM of 6 and 8 will be 24. So, I hope you understood the concept of LCM, least common multiple. Kids, we normally learn the table up to tens, like 6 10 is 60. But if somebody asks us what is 6 11 is, that is little bit difficult for our kids. So, to write down all the multiples of given number can be little bit difficult for kids. So I am using here prime factorization method to find the LCM. That will be easy for you all kids. What do we do in prime factorization method? Suppose I am given with two numbers 18 and 24. We have already done prime factorization in our previous session also in HCF class, highest common factor class. In the same way we will do prime factorization here also. What will we do? 18 comes in the table of prime number 2. So I'll write down 2. Where it comes in the table of 2? 2 9 ja 18. So I'll write down here 9 sorry. Then 9 comes in the table of 3. Where it comes? 3 3 ja 9. So I'll write down here answer 3. Now 3 is a prime number. So I'll stop here. I'll not go further. Similarly, I'll found the prime factors of 24. 24 comes in the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Again 12 comes in the table of 2. 2 where does it come? 2 6 ja 12. Again 6 comes in the table of 2. Where it comes? 2 3 ja 6. I'll write down 3 here. Now 3 is a prime number, so I'll stop here. I'll not do any further factorization. I have done factors, prime factors of both the numbers 18 and 24. Now I'll write down them 18, 24. What are the prime factors of 18? 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. And what are the prime factors of 24? 2 again 2 again 2 and 3. I have written down all the prime factors of both numbers. Now in LCM what we will do, we will multiply all the factors, but which factors are common? Like 2 is common here in both numbers, 3 is common here in both numbers. So I'll write down these common factor only one time. I'll not write down these 2's in the answer. I'll write down this pair only one time. So what will be my LCM of 18 and 24? I'll write down all the factors with common factors only once. I'll write down this as a single 2, then 3, this 2 and this pair I'll write only 1 3. I'll multiply all the numbers. 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24 and 24 multiply 3. I can multiply them. 4 3 ja 12, 1 carry, 3 2 ja 6, 6 may carry add 1, 7. So my answer is 72. So LCM of 18 and 24 is 72 here. In this way, with the help of prime factors, I can easily find the LCM of two given numbers. So kids, I hope you understood the concept of LCM. So do lots of practice of LCM sums. Take any two numbers, ask your parents to give any two numbers, then find their LCM. And if still you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll read it and I'll surely reply to you. Okay kids, bye bye. Also don't forget to like, share and comment in your channel, and also subscribe your channel Math Thinkers.